Welcome to Taranker. Today, we're going to explore how using loyalty and reward apps can help you boost sales on your Shopify store. In this tutorial, we'll guide you on how to install the Bloop referral program and reward app, and see how it can grow your business through customer referrals. First, head to the Taranker homepage. Under Store Management, select Customer Accounts, and then click on the Loyalty and Reward Apps category. Taranker uses smart AI technology to logically analyze, rating, and categorize the apps into different categories. Here you can find Bloop on page 3. Once there, simply click Unlock Deal to get an exclusive 20% discount or Try for free to install the app directly. Now let's take a closer look at how Bloop referral program and reward app can help you boost sales. One of Bloop's main features is its referral program, where existing customers can refer their friends using email, social sharing, or unique referral links. This referral marketing feature is powerful for driving new traffic and increasing sales through word of mouth. Bloop also allows you to set custom reward rules for referrers and referees. You can design multiple reward types, like fixed amount discounts or percentage-based offers, incentivizing both parties to engage with your store. The app also offers branding customizations, letting you personalize referral pages and pop-ups with your store's unique look and feel, enhancing your brand visibility. Bloop's automation feature sends rewards directly to referrers and referees after successful referrals, making the process seamless and hands-free. You can also use its analytics tools to monitor referral activity and sales growth, giving you insight into the impact of your referral program. Using loyalty and reward apps like Bloop can make a huge difference in boosting sales on Shopify by leveraging customer referrals. To get started with Bloop, visit Taranker.com to explore more top-rated Shopify apps and optimize your store today. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips.